The starting point of all achievement is desire. Napoleon Hill. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal a slang word, couch potato. What is the meaning of the word couch potato? Let's get into the lesson. Couch potato. A person who watches too much television can be called as couch potato. It means a person who spends little or no time exercising and a great deal of time watching television. If a person is watching television continuously and he spends no time exercising, or he spends no time to do other works, is called as couch potato. Couch potatoes, as they are called, are the ones who stick on to their sofas just watching the idiot box that has caused many such unwarranted developments in health. These people sit idle and watch TV continuously for more hours. A person who watches a lot of television and does not have an active life is called as a couch potato. Now, let's use the slang word couch potato in a sentence. Look at this sentence. He used to play basketball, but he has stopped doing that now, and in the last few months, he has been a bit a couch potato, she said. It means he used to play basketball, but now he has stopped playing basketball, and in the recent few months, he has been sitting idle, spending time without doing anything. He is a lazy person, she said. Instead of saying a lazy person, we have used the slang word couch potato. Number 2, Meena is a real couch potato and doesn't like to participate in any activity that makes her tired or sweaty. It means Meena is a lazy girl who doesn't like to participate in any activity that makes her tired or sweaty. And the last example, even if you are an incurable couch potato, there is no excuse for not taking regular exercise. It means even though you are a lazy person, you spend a lot of time doing nothing, there is no excuse for not taking regular exercise, because doing exercise regularly makes you fit. So, the slang word couch potato means a lazy person. A person who watches TV continuously without doing any work is referred to as a couch potato. So far in this class, we have learnt the meaning of the word couch potato. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.